Hello and welcome guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome in the final video of the course. So basically this is going to be the final video of the course, so let's get learn together. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to work on the very last module is called basically about notifications. So the notification that user basically receive need to be displayed over here. So now let's get started. First of all, I'm going to chat, and again Flutter Force guy. Whenever someone send any type of message, it should be displayed in the notification section as well. So now let's get do it. First of all, I'm going to move toward the this button on click. So basically black send icon, and I'm inside this button. So send message to Firebase. This is the function that is being called when someone send any type of message to the user. So in this method I'm going to read it about. Okay, so here I'm going to create another method called create notification. Create notification, right? This is the method name, and over here I'm going to call Firebase firestore.instance.collection notifications, okay, .doc. So this is going to be notification for this particular guy to whom I am sending the notification. Okay, so let's see. Send Firebase notification. Okay, sorry. Here I'm expecting a string, the UID of the receiver, right? Let me write receiver UID, right? Let's call this function over here, data controller dot create notification, and it basically accept a receiver UID, so it should be like widget dot okay name group ID blah blah blah. So let's see, we have to pass another variable over here that is of type string UID, right? So this UID I will be using it. Okay, let me see why it's not showing it. Okay, I have to call it over here to this dot UID, and then UID equal to for this particular user. So I'm going to pass it over here, right? Okay, also we have to pass it to the function widget.uid, and let's add another check operator over here also over here. So yeah, this is the user UID. After this we have to call receiver UID, and here we have to create another collection, notifications. Again I'm going to name it, or let's say my notifications, and over here I'm going to add a document that basically contains information like message sent you a message. Okay, let's see from here. Okay, has sent you a friend request or something like this. We have to call it send you a message, or Osama send you a message, something like this, right? And then the UID. Okay, sorry, let's call it let's see from here what things we are required. So basically we need image, name of the user, and this plain text and time. So I'm going to call image Okay, so basically I have to send image of the current user, right? So I have my information stored in my document, and from here I can obtain it. Okay, and where I have my function, oh shit, okay, here my document dot get, and what is the field name? Let's see, users, and its image. Okay, images has been there. Now I need a name. I again have to copy this and paste it over here and copy the name field. Okay, the name is basically composed of two, first name and last name. This is first name, and then string concatenation, and then we have to pass the last name. For the last name, the key is last. Okay, and the last thing is basically time. For the time I have to call datetime.now. So yeah, we are done. That's it. These are the code that is required. Let's give it a restart and see the magic. Okay, app has been restarted, and I'm going to chat to the Flutter force. My internet connection is a little bit slow. I'm sorry for this. It's loading data. Come on. Okay, and here I'm sending a message. Hi bro, hi brother. Okay, and message has been sent. In the time being, this method has been also called. Let's see on the Firebase. Okay, we are not seeing any notification collection over here. Let's give it a restart. Oh, sorry, refresh, not restart. So yeah guys, you can see notification is over here, and the user that belongs to this notification, for this user we have created a document with their UID, and this document contain all the information like Osama Qureshi send you a message. This is the image and this is the time. Now let's get this information on the notification screen. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, sorry, I have already started, but I have paused. Now let's move to the notification section. I'm going to click on the bell icon, and you also have to subscribe and click on bell icon, right? Okay, so after this let's move to the notification screen, and over here I think we have to make it a little bit, we have to wrap this column with the stream builder ctx snapshot. I'm going to call it snap, and the stream is let me come to the stream little bit, if snapshot, and this stream builder will be of type query snapshot. Okay, snapshot dot has data, and we have to negate this. If snapshot don't have data, then return a center with a child circular progress indicator. Yeah, okay, so basically we have to move toward the Firebase, firestore.instance.collection, and this collection is basically this where, okay, we have to copy the name from here, so it should be exactly same, otherwise then it will not work. Dog, so the dog will be of the current user, Firebase auth instance.current user.uid. okay, and again we have to check for the collection. The collection is under my collection, this one exactly, copy the name, and then here we have to call dot snapshot. Okay, all information will be retrieved over here. So now next we have to call return, and okay, oh sorry, the view that I have pasted is gone, so no problem, let's make it again. I'm going to call list view dot builder city x comma I, and here item count I'm going to give it a dummy value, suppose 10, and we have to call shrink wrap true because we are already using a single child or scrollable widget. And then where it is, shrink wrap true and physics never scrollable physics. Okay, it's required. And then we have to call the widget that we have created build tile, sorry, and this is basically accepting 4 parameters. Okay, the image, subtitle, okay, title and name. So what is title and what is subtitle? Let's see. Okay, first one is image, and that is the name of the user. The title is this one, and the subtitle is date. Okay, let's pass first of all name. Okay, here let's convert it to real data. Final data or final list of document snapshot, data equal to snapshot dot data dot docs. Okay, and make sure to put exclamation or null check operator here. Then inside here we have to create 4 variables: string name, okay, title, image and sub, or we have to give it a date. Right, now let's do it. We have to call try catch name equal to data at the current index dot get. For name, what we have here? For name we have name. If something went wrong, I'm going to assign empty string. Now let's copy and paste for the other 3 as well. 1, 2 and 3. This is going to be a title. Okay, and then we have to post image, and here date. Let's first of all move toward the date. So date is time. And one more thing, if it is a timestamp, then we have to call .toDate function as well. If something went wrong, we will be assigning it a current date. Date time dot now. Okay, make sure it should not be of string type, it should be date of time object. Date time date. Okay, this is done for the date. Now let's do it for the image. For image, key is image, and for the title, so basically our title is message. So now let's pass it. For the name, I am going to pass a name variable. For title, I am going to pass a title, and for subtitle, I am going to pass a date time object. Okay, here I should accept date time object, date time, okay, date, and the last one is image. Let's pass image. Yeah, we are done. But now here we have to correct this issue. So instead of printing a date, I have to import a library that is very powerful to use called time ago, and this is basically converting time to this format: 1 hour ago, 2 hour ago, 1 day ago. For this purpose I have to use time ago package. Let's see. Okay, it has been imported successfully. Now let's import it first. Import time ago, and I'm going to name it as time go. This is the package name that I have provided in alias. So now let's work on it. I'm going to call time ago dot format, and my time is subtitle. Okay, so yeah guys, you can see basically the current object or instance that we have is only one, but here it is printing it for almost 10 times because we have to fix it over here. We have to provide data dot length. Okay, and for this we don't have anything because for this particular, for the login user, we don't have any message. So now let's do one thing. I'm going to send a message from my another mobile to store some results over here. So yeah guys, I have basically created a notification from another phone and it is now showing it over here. So it is showing 16 hours ago because my time on the another phone is kind of wrong, so that is why it is showing late. So basically that is how we are working with notifications, sending, receiving and showing to the users. And this is the final video of the course. So thank you so much for watching the course, and goodbye.